Good morning, children. Welcome to Science Shivam Public School, Digha, Patna 11, online classes. Today we are going to study English grammar. This class is for standard 10 and the topic is phrases. So just pay attention. A phrase is a group of words acting as a noun, adjective or adverb in a sentence. It does not contain a finite verb but may contain an infinite verb, that is participle, infinitive or gerund. In itself it cannot make complete sense but can have meaning only through its relation to some parts of the sentence in which it stands. So in the lower classes also you have studied about the phrase, and according to the definition, a phrase is a group of words that make sense but not complete sense. A phrase does not have a finite verb but it can have an infinite verb. Now the infinite verbs can be in the form of participle, infinitive and gerund. So a phrase cannot make its meaning its own. It has to get associated with some other words or some other thing in a sentence. Now you can see the example here. I've given you an example here. The writer was a man of great wealth. Now the word of great wealth, this has been underlined. It is a phrase. This group of words is a phrase. It cannot stand its own. In order to make it meaningful, we have to use it in a sentence. Otherwise, it will make sense but not complete sense. The second example is, he was a young man of great promise. So, of great promise is also a phrase. It was a scene of great beauty. Of great beauty is also a phrase. I shot an arrow into the air. Into the air is also a phrase. Now, the words which have been underlined in these examples are phrases. Now, there can be different kinds of phrases like adjective phrase, noun phrase, adverb phrase, and so on. So, we will start with adjective phrase. Now, sometimes a group of words does the work of an adjective. Now, when a group of words does the work of an adjective, such a group of words is called adjective phrase. Now, with examples, I am going to explain you the adjective phrases. Now see number 1a, see sentence number 1a. The Russian Navy was defeated. Here Russian is an adjective. This can be replaced with an adjective phrase like the Navy of Russia was defeated. Of Russia is an adjective phrase. So you can see that Russian, which is an adjective, has been replaced by an adjective phrase of Russia. Second, the judge was a generous man. Here generous is an adjective. Now see the example B. The judge was a man of a generous nature. So of a generous nature is an adjective phrase which has replaced the adjective generous in sentence A. Example 3. A valuable document was found yesterday. Valuable is an adjective. Now see sentence B. A document of great value was found yesterday. Of great value is an adjective phrase. So there are more which we will discuss in the next class, maybe tomorrow. And I hope you will write all these things in your note copy. And tomorrow I am going to explain you a little more about adjective phrase, and I will also give you some work. So thank you and have a good day.